Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to update Weverse app. So in order to update the Weverse app, first of all, you'll have to launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in Weverse, search for it. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Weverse and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once it has been updated, you'll be able to see the open option. That means your application has been updated to the latest version. So like this, you'll be able to update the application. So that is how you update Weverse app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.